Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for always coming back. Let's make hand wash today. We have few ingredients to make this hand wash. We have soda ash, we have sulphonic, we have foam booster and isopropyl alcohol. This is SLS. The fragrance is optional and also the colorant is optional. You can make it without color or fragrance. We are going to dissolve our SLS, which is 30 grams, in 1 liter of water. You are going to pour 1 liter of water and dissolve SLS. You make sure that it is properly dissolved to avoid lumps in your hand wash. So stir it until it's properly, completely dissolved. That's step 1. Then, when it's completely dissolved, you set it aside and also dissolve soda ash in another container with 1 liter of water also. Soda ash is also 30 grams. So you dissolve it in another container with 1 liter of water. Stir it very well to ensure that all the particles are dissolved. Now it's completely dissolved. You are going to mix the two. Join the two mixtures together and stir. You will notice that the viscosity will change, becomes thicker as you stir. You stir very well to ensure that it's properly mixed. You add your sulphonic acid, which is about 50 ml of sulphonic acid. As you are adding the sulphonic acid, it will get thicker. You stir again. You are going to stir very well. Stir it vigorously. You can see that it's very thick now. Continue to stir. I used to say it that in this production, since we don't have mixing machine, stirring is very important and we have to do it very well to get the best result. This hand wash we are making is very good. Now you add a little foam booster. Just a little foam booster. This hand wash is very effective because while you are using it to wash your hands, it's going to sanitize your hand. Because we are going to add isopropyl alcohol to it. Isopropyl alcohol, we'll add it later. Now this is our colorant. I said it's optional. If you so wish, you can do it without colorant. You can also do without fragrance because it's already having a very nice fragrance. While producing, the fragrance is beautiful. Have you subscribed to my channel before? Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, kindly subscribe to join us so that you can have more of our videos. And please turn on your post notification so that you can get to be the first to see our videos each time. So you can see the picture, very beautiful and very effective. We are going to add isopropyl alcohol, which is IPA. Now this will help you to kill germs. This is the ingredient that will sanitize your hand. That will sanitize your hand. You can use this in your office, you can use it at home, you can keep it at public places for washing of hands as many times as possible. After using the restroom, you use this to wash your hands. It's very effective. So you can, once it's done like this, you can package it immediately. You don't allow it to cool down, package immediately. Alright. So thank you for watching. God bless you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe before the end of this video. Like this video please and share with your friends. Please drop your comments below and let's interact. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Somebody asked me to show how to prepare SLES. That's going to be very soon. I'm working on that, getting the materials for that video. Make sure you don't miss it. So please subscribe so that you get to know when I post that video. God bless you and thank you. See you guys. Bye.